The Maestro A2B is an amplifier replacement module for vehicles that use A2B, or Automotive Audio Bus. A2B is an encrypted digital audio signal, and in most cases is controlled via data messages, which makes upgrading the audio system in these vehicles complicated. To understand the obstacles associated with these premium audio systems, we must first look at how they operate. In this video, we will look at the Maestro A2B solutions for the Ford Bang & Olufsen and the Lincoln Revel premium audio systems. The factory infotainment in newer Ford and Lincoln vehicles provides all of the features and input sources most drivers require, but often lacks in sound quality and performance, even when equipped with premium sound. The amplifier in these premium systems is highly integrated and can power as many as 16 speakers. The amplifier also features a built-in digital sound processor, commonly referred to as DSP. The digital A2B signal out of the radio is sent directly to the factory amplifier, which is hidden somewhere in the vehicle. Music, chimes, alerts, navigation prompts, and Bluetooth phone calls are all sent over the A2B signal. The amplifier then controls which speakers play a given sound, when, and at what volume. All this is done via data messages being sent from the radio. This means when volume, fader, balance, or tone controls are adjusted, changes happen at the factory amplifier, not at the radio. Secondary audio signals such as navigation prompts or Bluetooth phone calls are also controlled by the amplifier. For example, when a phone call is made, a data message is sent to the amplifier telling it where to play the Bluetooth audio while attenuating the music to the other speakers. This allows the Bluetooth call to play through specific speakers in the system. The amplifier controls the entire audio system, which makes replacing it such a challenge. The Maestro A2B simplifies the process of upgrading the audio in these premium systems while retaining the factory behavior of the infotainment system for a seamless experience. Let's look at how it works. The factory amplifier is removed altogether, and the Maestro A2B is installed in its place. A vehicle-specific T-harness connects the Maestro A2B module to the vehicle. The A2B audio signals and digital messages from the factory radio are sent directly to the Maestro A2B. The digital signal is then interpreted, converted as required, and sent to 6 RCA outputs or a single Toslink output that feed an aftermarket amplifier or DSP. Additionally, the Maestro A2B T-harness connects the factory speaker wires directly to the aftermarket amplifier's outputs, eliminating the need to run new speaker wires to each speaker. When the radio settings are adjusted, the Maestro A2B reads the messages and adjusts the RCA outputs as required. For example, when volume is adjusted, the Maestro A2B will increase or decrease the RCA outputs accordingly. When a secondary audio signal, such as a Bluetooth call, needs to be mixed in, the Maestro A2B will send that audio to the specified speakers while attenuating the music to replicate the factory amplifier experience. Since the Toslink connection only provides 2 channels of audio to the amplifier, the ability of the Maestro A2B to localize Bluetooth calls, navigation prompts, and other chimes is limited to left and right side speakers in the vehicle. It is also not possible to retain fader control when using the Toslink output. The factory tone controls can be repurposed to control specific RCA outputs of the Maestro A2B. For instance, the radio's bass level control adjusted bass to all the speakers in the factory configuration. With the Maestro A2B, the bass level control can be remapped to provide independent subwoofer volume control, eliminating the need for a separate control knob. Tone remapping only applies to the RCA outputs and is not supported when using the Toslink output. The Maestro A2B can be used with any of our partner Maestro AR compatible amplifier or DSP products. When using a Maestro compatible amplifier or DSP, the retention of balance, fader, chime locations, and tone remappings is supported via the Toslink output. This is made possible through our dedicated proprietary serial connection. Unlike the universal outputs mentioned earlier, all of the commands are executed at the partner amplifier or DSP. This provides a best of both worlds experience, combining the superior audio quality of the digital output with the full factory experience. Additionally, if the DSP supports different listening presets, you can switch between them directly from the factory radio. This feature is only available when using a Maestro-compatible amplifier or DSP. For more information on the Maestro A2B or to use our vehicle fit guide, visit iDatalink Maestro.com.